In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to unlock animals in GTA 5 Director Mode on the PlayStation 4. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. As you might be aware, Director Mode is something that you can access to record unique clips and do a lot of things related to GTA 5 and playing with different actors and custom things. So you will be able to find it when you pause the game, you choose the last option here, and then you go into Director Mode. Inside of Director Mode, you can browse through various different actors, and one of the categories of actors is going to be animals. But when you initially access animals, you will have 22 of them, and they are all going to be locked. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to properly unlock them and what they all are. So in order to unlock these animal actors, you will have to gather collectibles featured in GTA 5. These collectibles are peyote plants, so you will be able to find them in various different locations. Sadly, due to the nature of this video, I won't be able to showcase where you can find each exact peyote plant around the world, but you will be able to do your own research. So all that you have to do is gather these peyote plants in GTA 5, and every single time that you gather one of them, you will be able to unlock a specific animal. So you will be able to unlock dogs. So as you can see on screen, they have Border Collie, Husky, Labrador, Poodle, Pug, and Rottweiler, and finally West Highland Terrier. Then you will have birds like chickens, chicken hawks, cormorants, crows, and so on. You will be able to get all of these categories of animals just by simply gathering the peyote plants. You will have marine life, land mammals, as you can see, and then finally a special one, which is the Sasquatch. There are going to be 27 standard collectible peyote plant locations, and I'm going to showcase some of them on screen, but I recommend watching a specific video showcasing the exact location and path that you have to travel. Each time that you gather one of these, you will be able to unlock one of the animals. I hope I was able to help you on how to unlock animals in GTA 5 Director Mode PlayStation 4. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.